In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add income or salary on YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB is a popular budgeting tool that helps you manage your finances effectively, ensuring you know where every dollar goes, and it can make a huge difference in how you track and handle your income. So, without further ado, let's dive in and get started. First, go ahead and open your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever one you usually use. Then, in the search bar, type YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. Once the search results pop up, click on the link to head over to YNAB's website. Now that you're on the YNAB homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you haven't logged in before in your browser, you'll need to enter your login credentials, your email, and your password. If you're already logged in, you might be directly taken to your dashboard, which should save you a bit of time. Once logged in, the focus now shifts to navigating to the bank account where your paycheck is deposited. This is important because YNAB operates on the principle of managing real money you currently have on hand. By ensuring you select the correct bank account, you align your track record with your actual financial transactions. On your YNAB interface, look for the plus Add Transaction button. It's typically located at the bottom of the screen. By clicking on that, you open up a transaction window that allows you to enter the nitty-gritty details of your paycheck. This step is crucial as it lays the groundwork for accurately tracking your income. Next, it's time to enter some basic details. Begin by selecting the date. This should match the day your paycheck landed in your bank account. Following that, identify the payee. In this instance, it's usually your employer. Simply type in the company's name. This makes it easy for you to track the source of these funds at a glance later on. As you continue, look for the transaction type and select Income from the drop-down menu. It's a simple but essential step to ensure the transaction is categorized correctly within the app. Now, pause to take note of this crucial part. In the inflow field, you want to enter the full amount of your salary before any deductions. Don't list the net amount. This is important because it records your total income and lets you see precisely how much money comes in, giving you a clear picture of your income flow. The last step is straightforward, but just as essential. Clicking the Save or Enter button to confirm the entry. This action effectively records your income in YNAB, ensuring your budget reflects your real-world financial situation. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully added your income or salary to YNAB, setting the stage for more effective budget management. With all your finances on track, you can now harness YNAB's full potential to take charge of your financial future.